Hello, I'm James Raymond. I'm the Training and Recruiting Manager here at Feldmann Imports. Feldmann Imports is one of the top performing dealers in the region. Our ability to perform at such a high level is directly related to the efforts of our talented team of professionals, and we're looking to add more great people to join our elite team.
My name's Ryan Wiederen. I've been a technician here at Feldmann Imports since 2010. Some of the things I enjoy about working for Feldmann Imports is that it's a family-owned company. The owners come by, get to talk to them, and they really care about you. Another thing I enjoy about the place is it's a really clean workshop. We've got heat, air conditioning for the summertime, and that really helps out. The vehicles, they're really awesome to work with, and we've got really good people that we work with here, so that makes work a lot more enjoyable.
I think that people should come to Feldmann Imports just because we got a great team. We got great ownership, it's family owned. We've got people that have been here for many years, friendly, helpful, and we just go out of our way to take care of the customer each and every day.
There are a lot of reasons why you should choose Minnesota, specifically our location here at Feldmann Imports in Bloomington, Minnesota. We're ideally located right by the Minneapolis-St. Paul Airport and Mall of America. If you're interested in becoming a Mercedes-Benz service technician at Feldmann Imports, apply online by visiting our careers page on our website at feldmannimports.com or click on the link in the video description below.